This is a follow-up video to my previous one on the Rove installation kit. This kit here for this unit is an awesome accessory. I was lucky enough to have them mail it to me free of charge, and I tell you, it's really just a joy to install. So I said, if that's that good, this thing's got to be amazing. First off, I have the app connected because this thing will actually do parking surveillance, motion detection, as well as dash cam, which is just a front sensor. It's not a front and rear 360 kit, but for what it is, it's pretty damn cool. So this is actually what you see here. That's in my garage. There it is mirrored right there. So you can do playback from your smartphone, plus you got the video. You can look at past photos, your folders, your settings, all right here through the Wi-Fi mode. So if you don't want to sit here and peck at those tiny little buttons that are on the front of the screen, you can just do this on your smartphone from the convenience of your couch. And look at all this stuff. This is so much better than toggling through the screen. Updates, outputs, language, parking, settings, formatting, cards, dates, loop recording. I mean, you name it, man. Boom, everything. Technology. One thing it comes with is the suction cup mount, which is super easy to use. You twist it, you pop it right off. It comes with 2 cords, so you can use it for a hardwired installation, which is what I've done today, or you could use the supplied DC cord and transfer it to another vehicle. When the unit is on, you got your menu, of course, and you got Wi-Fi mode, which is what we want to get off of.
Wi-Fi mode is off. Video mode.
Yes, it talks. It's actually quite vocal. So right in here, you got all your settings that the camera's on. It's recording, it's Wi-Fi. What the card is recording audio. It has a gyro sensor, so it tells you your speed, your card status, charging, powered, all that crap. I mean, you could turn some of this stuff on or off because it's a little bit much to look at, in my opinion. But in a nutshell, this is what you can do. There's your resolution. Those are your choices. Loop recording, which is a must. I have it set for 5 minutes. There's your exposure, time-lapse record, which you're going to want. Parking mode. This is a really cool feature. So this parking mode works from an internal battery and G sensor setting. So even if you don't do a hardwire kit like I do, this unit has an internal battery which will actually trigger and save the data recording for you, which is unique. Audio recording, which I talked about. Stamp, which is of course for the year, where you are, speed, all kind of stuff like that. So if you do have an unfortunate accident, you can pull out that and give it to the police.
System settings.
Over here you got the Wi-Fi, all the usual stuff. Screensaver settings. I didn't see this one before. Look at that. That's new. It's nice to see refreshing settings for a change. So there's the same old crap. Medium, you don't want to get too excited with that. We have a boot up tone. We want a boot up tone?
Yeah.
Okay, we want a boot up tone. Language, I mean, this thing just goes on and on. So you can see that there's not really a feature that this unit is lacking. So as far as the standalone dash cam, this thing, for a single camera setting, which is what I mean is a single front facing camera, there's no rear camera like some of these units have, dual modes or external inputs. It's pretty much got it all covered. The camera is good, the quality is good. I'm going to also attach some video recordings from day and nighttime driving so you can see what it looks like. However, these days, even a bad dash cam is great. So